Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Studio. Thank you for joining me. I have a final flip through on this pink, vintage pink Christmas journal, which was so much fun. I really enjoyed putting this together. The cover is a soft cover. It's got a layer, two layers of fabric with a layer of batting in between, been sewn together, and it closes with a crinkled seam binding tie. And on the spine is some vintage lace down there. I thought that kind of reminded me of poinsettias a little bit. And here's the back, and these are some sewn on cardstock pieces for decoration. A little bit of ticking on the background, and this little button is a metal vintage button, very old. The paint kind of like wearing off, but I thought it was just perfect for this journal. And here on the front is a pocket with a little bit of a journaling card right there. Okay, we'll get started on the inside. There's a large pocket here on the side. I've put in a couple little journaling cards for you, but you can place in there your own memorabilia perhaps. There is this cardstock like jacket that kind of fits over the two signatures, and it kind of provides a nice base for writing on. And plus, it's a great place to mount some photos if you would like to do that. On the inside of that jacket is an envelope. It folds out with a really nice journaling card. Whoops. And this is part of a set of digitals that I've offered as my freebie, and I'll list down below the video that has the information of that in it. And a little card tucked right here on the side, just like so. Whoops. There we go. Trying to keep in camera here. And then on the front is another tuck spot with several little tiny cards just stuffed in there. Little belly band with a little envelope that opens up with a little card here on the inside, tucked right inside there. Dyed lace, and I've done some machine embroidery here on the side of some of the pages with some pink thread. There's tea stain paper in here. There is avocado dyed paper, and some vintage cookbook pieces. The avocado dyed paper actually does not look as on the camera here. I'm seeing that it's a lot more pink in real life than it's looking here in the camera, but it really gives it a beautiful, nice, soft pink shade to it. A little bit of collaging. A little bit of Christmas music there. Some more stitching here on the side. Most of the pages are avocado dyed. A glassine bag, a little card tucked in there. Ooh, cute collage. I just thought that was so sweet. And in the middle of each signature, I have a little jingle bell. And if you don't care for the bells, you can cut this off, and the stitching will still be just fine. I thought they were kind of fun since it is Christmas. Another little collage glassine bag with another journaling card, some more stitching, some more music, a ticking cloth pocket with a tag, a cookie definition there. And here's warm, and there's a little tiny booklet just stuck right in that little pocket there. A little bit of vintage lace, some more stitching here on the side, a mini file folder, and I've used these copper colored paper clips. I thought the copper color kind of helped with that pink that's going on here, with a little bit of a ribbon on the end. And so these little mini folders, I think there's two of them in here, are just attached this way. And the next signature, another envelope again, the journaling card, little belly band, more stitching here, more stars, and another collage piece. I tried to put the collage pieces on the printed paper so that you have all of these blank pages that you can write with or journal with or whatever. And I think there's 33 double page, so that if you're doing December daily, you have a double page to do for each day. Another collage with another pocket. Christmas memories, it says here. Here is another tag. It's part of that free download. More stitching. A little angel on a glassine bag with a little bit of lace and a cute little angel there. Here is a pocket for you to fill. And another jingle bell. All hearts come home for Christmas. And the other part of that glassine bag with a little bit of drilling card inside there. More stitching. Another angel collage with a cards in this pocket. More stitching. And a vintage cookie sheet, a cookie page. Another mini file folder. And here in the end is a Tim Holtz pocket with lots of little tiny journaling spaces with a little cute little reindeer down there for a collage. And here's the back of that with a pocket in the back. So that's the journal, and I'm going to be sending along with it an envelope full of bits and pieces. I've got numbers for if you're doing December daily. I've got numbers you can use. There's little journaling or just little cards you can use for decoration, little messages, little definitions. And so that'll be coming along with this so that you can have fun decorating it as well. So thank you so much for viewing. I hope that this was fun and it inspired you maybe with your own journals, and this will be listed in my Etsy shop and it will be available. Wanted to remind you that I now offer free shipping on my journals, so that's inside the price of the journals. And I also want to say that my fall journal is on sale as well, just in case you want to check that out. So thank you so much, and we will talk to you later. Bye.